Describe the core components of a virtual machine and explain how you will leverage virtualization technology in a business setting. A virtual machine is a software-based emulation of a physical computer, running applications and operating system in isolated environment. It was managed by a hypervisor, either bare metal hypervisors like VMware, ESXi, Microsoft Hyper-V, and hosted type hypervisors like Oracle VirtualBox and VMware Workstations. Virtual machines use a virtual CPUs, memory, storage, and network interfaces to ensure performances and connectivity. Each virtual machine runs its own guest OS with emulated hardware drivers, making virtualization a flexible, scalable, cost-efficient, and secure business solution. Virtualization in business maximizes efficiency, flexibility, and resilience. By consolidating workloads onto fewer servers, reducing hardware and energy costs, it enhances disaster recovery through quick backup and restoration, while providing isolated environments for safe application testing. Resources can be scaled dynamically, and sandbox virtual machines improve security. Virtualization also supports legacy applications, integrates with cloud platforms for remote work, and help organizations cut costs, boost resilience, and adapt to changing needs. Server roles and features are critical for defining a server's functionality. Describe the difference between a server role and a server feature. How do you determine which roles and features a server needs? A server role defines the primary functions of a server. Example of it is the domain controller and the web server. While a server features provides supporting capabilities that enhance and or to extend those roles. Example of it is the net framework, failover clustering, and others. You determine which roles and features a server needs by analyzing its intended purpose, workloads requirements, security needs, and organizational policies. If the server will manage user accounts and authentications, install Active Directory domain services. If hosting websites, install web services or web server, IIS. Another is by accessing the workload requirements by the use of file sharing, printing, database hosting, or application delivery, each required specific roles. There are some roles also that requires specific features, like IIS that requires .NET Framework for web applications. Domains are a fundamental component of a company's infrastructure. Explain the primary purpose of Active Directory and how it facilitates the user and resource management within a domain. Give an example of a common task you can perform using Active Directory. The primary purpose of Active Directory, or AD, is to provide a centralized directory service that manages users, computers, and resources within a domain. It facilitates user and resource management by enforcing authentication, authorization, and policies across the network. A common task you can perform with Active Directory is creating and managing user accounts. ensuring employees have secure access to the resources they need. Thank you.